Burger King chooses fans' recipe for new Steakhouse Whopper. Burger King is spotlighting its fans in 2026 with a bold new menu addition, the Ultimate Steakhouse Whopper. Chosen from more than 600,000 submissions, this fan-created recipe has gone nationwide, proving that some of the best ideas come straight from customers. Meet Burger King's Ultimate Steakhouse Whopper. The burger, which debuted in the US on January 6th, features a 4.4-ounce flame-grilled beef patty on a sesame seed bun, topped with onion rings, bacon, sautéed mushrooms, Swiss cheese, and peppercorn aioli for a bold steakhouse-style flavor. Chief Marketing Officer Joel Yashinsky says the launch marks the start of a year filled with more guest-inspired Whopper creations. Whopper by You: How Burger King lets customers shape the menu. While guests have always been encouraged to have it your way, Burger King took customization further with the launch of its Whopper by You platform in July 2025. The initiative grew out of the viral $1 Million Whopper contest that ran through 2024. Unlike the one-time cash prize competition, Whopper by You is a permanent platform that regularly brings fan-designed burgers to menus nationwide. Since launch, it has become a competitive creative space for Royal Perks members. Fans can continue submitting new Whopper ideas through the Whopper by You platform at bk.com/WBY.